My dad, I'm gonna keep it short and simple. My dad was a sweet guy, and he loved us. And he loved our family. He loved each and every one of you guys that are sitting here, coming to support, and thank you guys for that. But on top of that, my dad, he was so humble with us kids, and there was times where I was giving him a headache, but he always turned every dark situation into a light situation. And he was a very positive person, so my dad was a really good man, and the only person that never complained about my food. So that being said, I'm just glad that I was able to spend more time with my dad and be with him, have him meet my daughter and the person else to be led with, and my family. I'm grateful that my dad lived to see all of us grow up to be mothers, fathers, and just a good family to each and every one of you guys. And just a quick memory that I will always cherish in my heart. It was my first day of school, and my dad, he cried more than I did. So I was like, okay, I'm the little one here. So, am I supposed to be crying or, but no matter what, my dad, he was such a loving guy, and it just brings tears to my eyes that my dad's going to be the one that I'm going to be crying for as he goes home today. So I just want to say, cherish your parents, love them, and, you only get one parent. So that being said, I'm just glad that before my dad passed peacefully, because I know dang well, that we cannot handle goodbyes. But with that being said, yeah, my dad was a good guy, and I love you, Dad, and your legacy lives on, and your memory lives on.